In today's video, I'll show you how to turn your voice into a song using Suno AI, a powerful AI tool that can transform your recordings into music. Let's get started. Step 1 is to sign up and log in. Go to suno.com and log into your account, but if you don't have one, just simply sign up. It's quick and easy. Step 2 is to upload or record your voice. Click on Upload Audio and choose Upload a pre-recorded clip or just record directly using Suno AI's built-in tool. Once done, click the check mark to finalize your recording. Step 3 is to process your audio. Click Upload and set Suno AI process your voice, and then once uploaded, rename your file for better organization and click Continue. Step 4 is to transform your voice into a song. Select your uploaded track and click Extend. Customize your song by adding lyrics, music style, and title. After that, click Extend and let Suno AI generate the song for you. Step 5 is to listen and fine-tune. Review the AI-generated track. Want a different sound? Just simply try changing genres, modifying lyrics, and generating multiple versions to find the best fit. Suno AI makes it easy to turn your voice into a full song with just a few clicks. Whether you're making music for fun or testing out creative ideas, this tool is a game changer. I really hope this helped. If it did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.